Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this beautifully presented 2-bedroom end terrace property over on National Drive in Salford. So as you can see to the front, we've got off-road parking, this gorgeous corner plot. Now as we head in downstairs, there's a large kitchen diner to the left. Really good space in here, plenty of wall and base units, integrated appliances. Got the breakfast bar to the rear and double doors to the garden. Show you from this angle. Really good space in here, loads of potential. Got this fantastic garden space with the shed. This gets us on most of the day. It does wrap all the way round at the side. You really wouldn't think you're this close to Salford Quays or the city centre with how quiet it is. Now, as we head on back through, we've got the living area to the other side of the property, which again is a fantastic space for families. So you've got the really big window spanning across the back wall, letting loads of natural light in. Loads of space in here. Got the ceiling spotlights and this gorgeous flooring throughout. Got the understairs storage. Does go all the way back and round the corner. Now as we head on upstairs, you'll find this gorgeous staircase. This was made for this property, this oak staircase with the gorgeous runner up the stairs. Just show you here. We've got two fantastic sized double bedrooms. So the master here has got fitted wardrobes. It's got loads of space for more furniture and desk space there. And to the second bedroom, we've got another double bedroom here. Again, a really good space with more fitted wardrobes. Just show you from this angle. And it's got this gorgeous flooring throughout and it is immaculate. Got more storage upstairs. We've then got the separate WC. More storage to the left and the modern fitted bathroom. The large bath and a sink. Again, immaculate here. You are within walking distance to Salford Quays and the city centre, with all the transport links around. Plenty of space for off-road parking and the gorgeous garden space to the rear. So if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.